Words are amazing. Did you know that the English language has over 1 million words? Today, we're going to explore 4 fascinating 6th grade words that will expand your vocabulary and make your conversations more interesting. Let's start with the word labyrinth. A labyrinth can be a complicated maze, like the puzzle shown here. In this labyrinth, the goal is to tilt the board and move the marble through the paths without letting it fall through the holes. A labyrinth can also be a network of passages or paths in which it is difficult to find one's way. Imagine walking through this beautiful park from the beginning to the end of the labyrinth. Next up is gargantuan. Gargantuan means extremely large or huge. Picture the biggest thing you can imagine, then make it even bigger. That's gargantuan. For example, the blue whale is so gargantuan that its heart is the size of a small car. When you see something truly massive, like a skyscraper or a mountain, remember the word gargantuan. Our third word is nitpick. To nitpick means to criticize or find fault with unimportant details. It's like when someone points out tiny flaws that don't really matter. For instance, instead of enjoying the movie, Tom nitpicked every small detail of the special effects. Next time you catch yourself or someone else focusing too much on little things, you can use the word nitpick. Finally, we have opaque. An opaque item is something that cannot be seen through. It looks cloudy or muddy. In this picture, there are 7 chess pawns made of opaque glass. There's only 1 pawn made of clear glass. Sometimes you want clear glass in your house, but other times, like in your front door or in your bathroom, you'd rather have opaque glass, like this, right? Now let's quickly review. We learned that labyrinths are complex mazes, paths, or passages. We discovered that gargantuan means extremely large. We found out that nitpick means to criticize unimportant details. And we learned that opaque describes something that you cannot see through, like this rock. Remember, learning new words is like unlocking secret codes. The more words you know, the better you can express yourself and understand the world around you. Keep exploring new words. Your 6th grade vocabulary adventure is just beginning. Find more spelling and vocabulary words at spellingwordswell.com.